So I know screen time has a pretty bad reputation, but our phones and devices are not going away anytime soon. We can either fight to keep technology out of kids' hands, or we can try to reframe technology in a way that makes it helpful instead of just a distraction. Actually, what if we could help kids use their devices to grow in their faith? With a little intentionality, technology can be a great way to practice 4 key spiritual habits. Number 1, spend time with God. If you lead young readers, try a Bible reading plan together on an app like YouVersion or Dwell, or suggest YouTube channels to parents that teach Bible stories in new and fun ways. Number 2, spend time with others. Technology opens up a whole new world of ways to connect with friends and loved ones who are not in the room. Messenger Kids, FaceTime, and a variety of online games allow kids to have fun together online safely. Number 3, share your story. If a family uses social media, they might let their kids share what God is up to in their lives, or they might download a drawing or journaling app to keep track of their prayers and stories, or practice putting their thoughts into words. Number 4, use your gifts. No matter what a kid's gifts are, there are countless videos, podcasts, books, articles, and other digital resources that can help them develop and use those gifts. So find some and send them over. And don't be scared of technology. Instead, help kids use their screen time to grow.